This is the MSR Tindheim, an ultra-stable, high-performance, 3-season tunnel tent that fits the bill for dry weather pursuits, but comes into its own when the climate isn't cooperating. Available in both 2-person and 3-person models, the Tindheim combines the quality and versatility that MSR customers have come to expect with features that enhance your experience in the outdoors. The 2-person weighs in at 2.48 kilograms or 5 pounds 7 ounces, and the 3-person at 2.91 kilograms or 6 pounds 7 ounces. They pack down easily and include a footprint and compressible stuff sack. The key to the Tindheim strength lies in its construction. The 2-hoop tunnel design and strong, lightweight aluminum poles deliver a stable tent body, and the storm pitch construction adds extra security while also keeping the inner tent dry during setup. The inner body comes clipped to the Rainfly for an easy and fast setup. Other durable, weather-ready features include heavy-duty cord adjusters, reflective guy lines, adjustable cord stake loops, and a vestibule buckle that keeps the door zipper in place. The Tindheim design delivers on the inside as well as the out. Easy access vents and a 2-panel door let you adjust the ventilation for plenty of airflow, with an additional vent on the Rainfly door to help prevent condensation. The spacious interior and vestibule provide plenty of livable space, with 1.01 meters or 40 inches of headroom in the 2-person and 1.09 meters or 43 inches in the 3-person. Interior storage pockets stow away items like headlamps or GPS devices. For extra convenience, the included footprint extends into the vestibule to protect gear from the wet ground. If you get caught in the weather, a handy laundry line makes drying out gear and clothes fast and easy. Packed with convenient features and MSR's highly dependable strength and stability, the Tindheim withstands the elements to deliver a spacious shelter, fit for any type of adventure. Did I say 2-door panel? Stakeout. Stakeout. The little worm is way over here now. That thing's gonna... Or the big one, yeah. You always have to flatter the talent so they keep going.